So it just went off here. Let's see if it's ready this time. Yep, no lumps. It's not too hot, not too cold, just right. Put the microwave here. And first thing I want to do is my bowl. This is going to be the lid for the barbecue. That's going to lean up against the barbecue. So first I want to go ahead and pour some chocolate in here. Okay, then set that aside. We may need to add more, I'm not sure yet. And this is what you do. You want to take this and you want to just roll it around the bottom of the pan. And you just kind of want to get it up onto the sides. Try to get it as even as you can. We can always trim it later if needed, but it's best to try to get it the same height all the way around or pretty close to it. You can tell that by when you have it down here, you can tell that it's higher over here than it would be there, so we'll need to go ahead and just roll it a little bit more, make that side a little bit higher. And probably just a little bit more over there. Okay, so we want to try not to go above that line now. So that looks like it'd make a nice lid. So what we want to do, if I just poured this excess chocolate out that's in the center, it would be way too thin and it would break on you. So what you need to do is just go ahead and chill this. So I'm going to pop it in the refrigerator for just about a minute or less than a minute, and then I'll take it back out and show you how to do the rest there. Okay, so while we're waiting, what we can do is go ahead and put some chocolate in a parchment bag. This doesn't have a tip in it. Just be careful because as soon as I pour it in there, it starts kind of dripping out the bottom. So don't hold it over your kitchen floor. You'll be in trouble. So want to cut off the tip just a little bit. Make sure that paper doesn't go back into your chocolate. Okay. Now I'm just going to hold that over there. What I've done is I've taken the same pattern I showed you how to make, put it on a cookie sheet, and then place one more piece of parchment paper right over the top. That way you will always have that same pattern and you can reuse it.